We were super excited to come down, but also super nervous. But it looks like everything's working out the way we've ordered it to. The inspector from MyAssert is super helpful. They're super nice. And it's definitely been an educational experience learning about the organic and bird-friendly process. We definitely thank all the training we were able to do with the Smithsonian Zoo and some of the programs they provided online. That definitely helped us, help prepare us and position us to be successful today. So we'll continue. The day one is a lot of admin, working on making sure all the paperwork and all the documentation is in order. And in a few minutes after lunch, we'll go into the field and do some of the field inspection where we'll be able to demonstrate some of our processes here and then also take samples. So that'll be kicking off after lunch.